Thank you so much for investing in our latest creation, Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Success Kit Monster PLR Basic Package, and congratulations for making the right decision. There is a huge money-making opportunity within that package alone. As a way of saying thank you, we would like you to have access to the upgraded version of this package, which will increase your results a lot more, as I'm about to prove to you right now. This page is private. It's not open to the general public, and you are only going to see this offer once. I don't want too many people to have access to this upgrade. How would it sound to you if you could make 300% more money and build your list 7 times bigger at the same time by using a proven-to-convert Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 sales funnel and with your own name on it? Yeah, you heard that right. Use the Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 basic training you just bought as the front-end offer, plus the complete sales funnel, which we are about to show you, and everything under your name or brand name. Yep, you are getting access to the complete sales funnel, from the squeeze page to the autoresponder series, and the upsell offer, all ready to go in a few clicks. Introducing Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Success Kit Monster PLR Upgraded Package. This means you will not have to sell it under HQPLRstore.com's brand name. You can sell every single offer under your own name or your own brand name, and you get credit for all this hard work. You can give the product a new title. You can edit content and turn it into something new. You can use our content for your webinar, seminar, or presentation. Package the product with other products to make a big package. You can even make a membership site for recurring income. You will get all the source files needed to edit everything: text files, PowerPoints, audio, video scripts, and video files. You'll even get all the PSD files to edit the graphics. You have unlimited potential by utilizing our upgraded private label rights. Let me quickly explain how a killer sales funnel works. Assume 100 visitors enter your front-end offer. Let's say that only 5 of them buy, so you get to save them into your contact list. But the other 95 left your site and will probably never come back ever again. You have just lost and wasted 95% of your traffic, money, and effort spent to attract them. And that is where all your money-making opportunity has ended. But with our killer sales funnel, this is what will happen. Step 1. Assume you send the same 100 visitors, but instead of sending them to the front-end offer, you'll send them to a high-converting squeeze page advertising a special free report containing awesome content, effectively pre-selling your front-end offer, which will be a training guide. Let's say only 40 out of those 100 will opt in for that special free report. So you have 40 new people in your free subscribers list, instead of just 5 buyers using the regular method. That's 700% more leads just by doing one simple tweak. Isn't that great? Step 2. Those 40 free subscribers have proven they are interested in the subject. So after they opt in, they will be instantly redirected to the front-end offer, which will be the sales page selling the training guide. Let's assume 4 of them decide to buy your training guide and get into your front-end buyers list. As you can see, you are actually building a highly targeted list and making money at the same time. But you'll make way more than that. Here is where the fun part begins. Step 3. The special free report you just sent to those 40 free subscribers has been created to effectively pre-sell the front-end offer they had the chance to buy once they opted in. That means those 36 people who didn't buy your training guide right away will eventually come back to your front-end offer. And now that they know your content on the special free report is of great quality, they will be ready to buy your training guide. High quality and pre-sold based content will force them to do that. That means some more sales on autopilot. Let's say that's 2 more sales right there. That means 6 sales already. Awesome, right? Step 4. Besides that, you'll even get the chance to contact those other 34 free subscribers by email, promoting your front-end offer again using the complete, well-written set of autoresponder emails you'll send them in the following days. Experienced marketers say that a lot of people need to see any offer at least 7 to 8 times before they buy. By following up on your list, you can drastically increase the conversions. Let's say 4 more sales right there. Now we have 10 sales already, which is 100% more sales than by using the regular method. But the profits don't stop there. Step 5. We have gone above and beyond. We have prepared a high-converting upsell offer, which you can sell for 3 times the price of the front-end offer, advertising the high-quality, high-definition video training course. Let's say 3 out of those 10 front-end buyers will take this upsell offer for 3 times the price of the front-end offer. The final result at the end of the week, 300% more money and sales, 10 front-end sales, double the sales of the regular method, and an extra 3 sales of the upsell offer at 3 times the price. Plus 700% more leads, 40 leads instead of just 5. The wonderful thing is that you didn't have to spend a single penny on more traffic for this additional profit. We used the exact same amount of traffic for both examples, and the only change you saw was having a high-quality and complete sales funnel connected. If you use my proven funnel system, profits don't stop there. What else can you do with 700% more leads? You can promote the products of other marketers to these subscribers. There are tons of related offers to promote on ClickBank and JVZoo, which pay you from 50 to 100% commission whenever your subscribers buy these products. Have you ever heard the famous quote, "The money is in the list"? That's 100% true. Yeah, each subscriber is worth more than $1 per subscriber per month. Don't even think of making the mistake of neglecting or underestimating the power of leads. I am making even more than $1 per subscriber per month from my subscribers. If you can build just a small list of 1,000 subscribers, you can make an extra $1,000 per month on complete autopilot. It's critical to have a list of subscribers to build a sustainable business. Let me show you live how much I make by promoting other related offers to my subscribers. Here I am going inside my affiliate dashboard. It's not my seller account, it's my different account which I use to promote affiliate offers. Let me choose the dates from June 2013 to June 2019. And boom, I made over $989,000 in affiliate commissions in the last 72 months, all purely by promoting other marketers' products. Actually, the earnings are increasing each month because my subscribers are growing fast. As you can see, I'm actually making an average of $14,000 in extra commissions as an affiliate alone, each and every month, on autopilot. I'm not here to brag about it. I have to show you this because I want you to know I don't play around with fake income claims, so it is necessary to show you this. It's huge money. Think of what you can do with this extra money for your business, for your family, for yourself. I hope you now understand the power of funnel creation and building a list. We did all the hard work for you. We have included everything you need to set up a proven and very profitable funnel. We have divided this pro package into 2 groups. 1. Upsell offer. 2. Lead generation system. Every single item will come with several formats and with private label rights, which means you can edit them however you want, slap your name on it, and make it yours. 1. Upsell offer. Module 1, high definition video training, valued at $800. Module 2, PowerPoint presentation slides, valued at $160. Module 3, voiceover audios, valued at $240. Module number 4, voiceover scripts, valued at $160. Module number 5, high converting upsell sales copy, valued at $320. Module 6, 6 upsell professional mini sites, valued at $160. Module number 7, doodle style upsell sales video, valued at $320. Module number 8, follow-up emails for the upsell offer, valued at $100. And module number 9, complete set of professional upsell graphics, valued at $160. 2. Lead generation system. Module number 10, 6 professional squeeze pages, valued at $80. Module 11, squeeze page copy, valued at $20. Module 12, special free report, valued at $240. Module 13, follow-up emails for the front-end offer, valued at $100. And Module 14, professional squeeze page graphics, valued at $80. Besides all of these, we are crazy enough to offer you bonuses for this too. Yeah, there's more, and this will shock you as well. We have prepared 3 special additional bonuses, and those killer bonuses will help you become an instant authority with Facebook remarketing. Show yourself as an expert who has a branded Facebook page, Twitter page, and YouTube page for your Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 training. These bonuses include Bonus Module 1, 10 original PLR articles. Bonus Module 2, keywords for SEO and PPC advertising. And bonus module number 3, professional graphics for social media branding. I told you this is a really huge package, and you can multiply your profits instantly by getting access to it today. So, what's the price of this Pro package? We are talking about 17 big modules, apart from the basic package. All of them are valued at over $3,000 within this package. We actually offer an advanced and exclusive product creation service like this for our private clients for $4,000. No joke. The real price to the public is actually $97 with PLR at hqplrstore.com, but we decided to give it all to you for a really cool 50% discount with PLR, but only for the next few days. That's right, we are giving it all away for only $47 as an exclusive one-time offer, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Remember, it's only being offered to the buyers of the Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Success Kit Basic Package. You have only one opportunity to grab it. You cannot get it later, so buy it now or never. Click the button below this video. You have already invested in our basic package to cash in on the trillion-dollar information selling market, and this upgrade will multiply your returns and profits in no time with zero extra cost. After your payment, download links will be emailed to you instantly for the basic package you already bought, plus this upgraded Pro package. So click the buy button below the video and start selling your very own product under your own brand name for big profits. You'll never see this upgrade offer again. What are you waiting for? Take action now and cash in on this huge opportunity to enter into the very profitable info selling business. Click the buy button below to say yes to the upgraded package.